Good morning, it's Borys Palma again, and I'm here to bring you our pick of the week. This week's pick is this beautiful 2015 Cadillac Escalade. Many of you are familiar with this vehicle, which boasts a whole list of amazing features, and I am excited to share some of my favorites with you today. First, you'll notice these sharp LED headlights, which give the new Escalade a stylish, modern look and amazing nighttime visibility. These headlights pair well with the also stylish LED taillights, adding to this vehicle's sophisticated look. And with its clean lines and elegant trim features, the 2015 redesign of the Escalade has been a game changer in the SUV market. This Escalade is powered by the massive 6.2-liter V8 with tons of power. On the interior, this vehicle is a whole new level of classic. Beautiful wood grain touches, push-button start, Bluetooth integration, factory navigation, premium Bose sound, and of course, heated and cooled plush leather seats. And along with roomy back seats and the factory entertainment system, this vehicle is everything you could want in an SUV. So come on down to Country Chevrolet and test drive this vehicle today. Plus, we have many more Escalades as well as Tahoes and Yukons to stock for every style and budget. Country Chevrolet, where you'll always find big city selection and small town hospitality, and one of the best selections of new and used full-size SUVs.